Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a plan with me for May 28th through June 3rd, and this week is a little up in the air. I know I don't have to work on Monday because it's Memorial Day, and then I have to go into work on Tuesday, but I don't know how many days after that I'm going to have to go into work because it just kind of depends on if we get everything done, like all the packing and cleaning on Tuesday. If not, then I might have to come in on Wednesday, etc., etc. My last day of my contract is June 1st, so I know I won't have to work past June 1st, but hopefully I only have to work this day. So from here to here in my week, I have no idea what's going on at the moment. I guess I should say from here to here because I know I have to go to work Tuesday. So we're just going to kind of play it by ear. I might have some white spaces, like just in preparation for things. I'm not sure. We'll see. But anyways, I'm going to use this beautiful kit from M Crystal Prints. I bought this a little while ago. I'm not sure if she still has it in her shop or not, but I will link her shop down below. And it's this roses kit. I always think about roses for June. I don't exactly know why, but I always associate June with roses. I'm not sure if that's when they start blooming or I don't know, but I thought this was really, really pretty. It has the wood grain background, and then it says stop and smell the roses. And actually, I think I used the matching monthly kit last year, but like in September or something. I'll link that video up here if I have it, or if I can find it. I know I have it, if I'm thinking about the right kit. Anyways, we have 8 full boxes, and then you have some shapes and some quarter boxes down here. And headers, habit trackers, 3-heart checklist, and then all these like scripty things, and then some flags. I'm gonna leave this page out because, well, I don't know. I hope those flags are big enough. Then we have date covers, we have hydrate, habit tracker. Oh, there's bigger flags. Okay, we'll use those flags. Day off, payday, long check flags, circle icons, flags, bill dues, etc. Is this blurry? I feel like it's blurry. Okay, I'm so sorry. We have a full box over here, more like label and box type things, checklists, and then bubble boxes, little arrows. We have little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, and a really pretty weekend banner, and then longer flags. Checklists with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts, which is a lot of hearts. But they're kind of watercolor ombre towards the center, which is really pretty. And then more shapes and more quarter boxes. And then look at that washi, you guys. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then washi strips. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put these flags on because neither of these colors match and I really don't want to forget about them. Wait, are these? These are too big. I think I do need those other ones. Let's see. Nope, these are too small. Okay, but I feel like these are gigantic. But maybe this is what we go with. Okay, they're gigantic. I'll have date covers and things anyways, so not a big deal. I just don't want those colors showing. And I feel like I always start my date covers and then I'm like, oh no, I have to put flags on. Okay, let's go back to the washi. And this is on a matte paper. I think it's a premium matte paper. It's not like the smoothest in the world, but it is very, very nice. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna center this very carefully. Try to get it as straight as possible. Always tricky. But this washi is so pretty. It's just chock full of flowers on top of a wood grain. Oh no. Okay, I think that's okay. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to work on my sidebar first, I think. So we have Stop and Smell the Roses. Okay, I'm back from uploading footage, and while I was uploading, I just kind of kept going. So I put these little play buttons on all of the TVs for my filming schedule. I put a quarter box with this payday sticker. Both of those foiled things are from Rose Colored Days because those are gold foil. The pay rent, the student loan bill due are both from Piper Paper Company. I put a film sticker next to the plan sticker that came with the kit, and then edit upload. The film edit upload are again gold foil from Rose Colored Days. This little flag behind here is from the kit. This label is from the kit as well as this one. This one will be for my car payment and my Planner Society bill, and then this will be for driving to my friend's house because we usually get together the first Saturday of every month. And then I think I did one more thing. Maybe not. So that's kind of where I left off. I need to do some more planning. So on Tuesday, I have another bill. It usually comes out Monday, but because it's a holiday, I'm guessing it's going to come out on Tuesday. So I'm going to put it Tuesday, just to be sure. I mean, if it comes out Monday, then whatever. And this is my Sprint and Amazon bill. My Amazon Prime is attached to my Sprint cell phone bill. So that will be for that. Again, Rose Colored Days, because I'm obsessed. Let's see. Oh, shoot. I put a film sticker, and I probably won't have one this day. I mean, not a film sticker, like a video. I might have to think of that. I have another video in mind that I could maybe put here. This will be, I don't know. This will be my recollections plan with me. Again, I don't really know what else is going on either of those days. And then, let's see, I'm looking at my plans over on the side. So I have payday, I did my Hello June. This is possibly my last day of work, but I'm not going to put that in yet because I'm not sure. I've got my bills, my June monthly plan with me in my Erin Condren, my June monthly plan with me in my So Much Crafting inserts, seeing my friend, bills, car payment, TPS. Okay, I think that's everything I know for right now, but I do have a couple more things I can put in, like just general. So I'll probably go grocery shopping this day because I'm not going to get my Hungry Root for this week. I'll get my Hungry Root. Oh, I guess that'll come out the 1st. I should mark that. Good thing I'm talking about this. Maybe I will use this pretty flag. Ooh, I like that. So if my Hungry Root bill comes out this day, then I don't get the Hungry Root until the week after. And I have some meals pre-made for the beginning of this week, but I'll probably need groceries for the end of this week. But I'm going to take this little grocery cart here for my Hungry Root. And then, if you guys don't know what Hungry Root is, I'll link a video up here. So then I'll probably go grocery shopping here. And I have these stickers from Moose and Mittens. So I'll take the grocery shopping. I guess it can take up 2, that's fine. The lines, because there's 7 of them, they're pretty skinny, which is fine, but yeah. Okay. I also have errands on here, but I'm not sure when I'll do that. I also have to clean, work out. I don't need the time to plan because I already kind of put planning there. Wine time. I think I'm going to have wine time today. I just need to relax. Like, completely relax today. It's Friday, by the way. But I don't have to work today. So I want to chill. Oh, I could have used these, like, money ones. Oh, well. I'm not really sure when I'm getting Happy Mail this coming week. I love this Wash the Dishes sticker with the bowls all stacked up. That is so cute. I'll have to do laundry at some point. Hopefully sooner rather than later, but I'm not sure when I will. I really think that might be all that I mark right now. I'm just taking a look at what I have left over. I think I'm pretty good though. So let me open up, zoom out. Okay, so here's my spread. Holy moly, that is so pretty. I typically don't even like pink and red together, but I think this kit just kind of blends it all together pretty well because of the washi and things like that. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. So like I said, I have a lot of white space because I really don't know what else is going on this week with how much work I have to do being up in the air, and I'll just kind of fill it in as I go. If you guys want updates, check out my Instagram. It's always linked down below, or just search at Tiger Kitty Co. if you have not joined me on Instagram already. Feel free to leave your Instagram down below if you have like a planning, related Instagram, or even if it's like just occasionally. Definitely leave your Instagram down below if I'm not already following you. And I will probably catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great week, and let me know what kit you guys use this week. I would love to know. Okay, talk to you in the next one. Bye!